This is the Game of Thrones building. It's from a scene of there, as you can see. I will back up a little bit so you can see it in full view. And we'll go into the city. It's quite windy today actually, but the weather is good. Have to watch out for the cars. We are going to the center now. There are a lot of these kind of narrow streets, but they have all kind of shops and stuff in them, as you can see here. I mean, not very known shops for me, but like pastries and stuff. A lot of shops are actually closing around this time, but maybe it's also like a siesta or something, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna walk through this alleyway. I don't know what it is, but let's check. If you have no condition, don't do this. I don't think we can go there. I think we will go down again. I really like these old kind of buildings. Sant Martí Pujada. Seminari Pio Cesar. If I'm saying it correct, I have no idea. I'm still learning Spanish, so I thought it was a good idea to go to Spain, because in the end I want to actually go to Latin America and yeah, make some content there, you know, all types of content, but that's my goal, and you guys are the witness if I'm going to make it or not in this YouTube game. But yeah, we'll see. This is my first vlog, so if it's a little bit strange and all over the place, and maybe I don't talk a lot in certain points, then you know that I'm still learning, you know? See you back in a couple minutes. Going down. think this is a nice spot to grab some like dinner at night, or maybe some cervezas, some wine, some vino. Mm-hmm. Here you have the menu if you're interested. And Bistro is the café, is the name. Do what you want with it. You have to go in this side street near the Cathedral in Girona. I assume that's a Catalan flag, but I don't know. Please inform me, but I'm pretty sure this is a Catalan flag. It can be quite a maze to find everything here, but they have a bunch of nice places. Let's check what they have at the end of this. I really like these like balconies and stuff. It's really cozy if you like these kind of things. But yeah, it's your preference, you know. Also maybe a nice spot to grab some food, some dinner. This is a super nice view. Look at this view, guys. Sorry for the wind, probably. Need to buy another mic. All of you would probably want to live here. I do. Super nice view. I don't know what is this, but it's super nice. Look at the, it's like some kind of square. los defensores de Girona, and that's the date. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like a Canadian flag. Don't know what's doing there. A la inmortal Girona su hijo Fernando Puig y Guibert. I really hope this wind is not affecting my video. But it will probably do. You have a bunch of these bridges and stuff here. To cross over.